Guys, look what she found.
Look at this.
Right here in Okeechobee, Florida. Yeah, let me see. Wow. Guys, we have arrived. Welcome to the city of Okeechobee. On the way to the Okeechobee, Florida gun show. Look at this, guys. We're in the middle of nowhere. Oh my God. This is so nice.
It is gorgeous here.
Yeah, guys, so we're back. We never been to an Okeechobee, Florida gun show before, and we didn't see it on YouTube.
And it's on the corner, it says gun show.
Wow, yeah, what good timing. Look at that. You can zoom in for you guys. Perfect. Yeah. Yep, so what do you think of Okeechobee, Mom?
I love it.
Yeah, guys.
It's country,
very
nature.
Cool. We'll try to show you Lake Okeechobee. But yeah, let's get to this gun show.
We're going to Lake Okeechobee.
Oh, I remember this. Yeah, we've covered Okeechobee areas before, guys. Yeah. So, yeah, make a left on Southwest 7th Ave, in 1,000 feet. Okay. Not here. Nope. Keep going. Yep. It's, yeah, I think it's your next left. Yep, your next left.
Okay, go.
Right by the drive-thru.
Maybe, yeah.
Yep, make a left.
A country cooler drive.
Wow. Look at the gun show sign straight ahead.
Oh, wow.
Stop sign.
Yeah. I get excited.
It says it's on the right over here, so let's see.
I get excited.
We're early, so.
Yeah, we're just checking out. We're going to go see the lake.
Yeah, we're going to see if we can show you Lake Okeechobee.
We're going to the right?
Yeah, it says it's to the right in 100 feet. Yep. To the right back here.
Right here?
Yep. So you can see they already started having the food out.
Oh. What you
Cool.
want, barbecue? Oh, yeah, okay.
Pretty exciting. Here's what's parking looking like. Cool, guys.
Yeah, there it is.
Here it is. Wow. Setting up right now. Pretty cool. Wow, guys, we're going over this to get to Lake Okeechobee.
I don't even know what's going to be here.
Yeah, the gun show's not open yet.
Is this Lake Okeechobee right
We have
here?
a half hour.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Hey, Lake Okeechobee.
This was on our bucket list, guys. What are you thinking, Mom?
Wow, I'm in shock.
Yeah.
I'm in shock.
Wow. This
How
is something,
beautiful.
boy. The big O.
Oh my God.
Wow. Look at that, man. What do you think of everything?
Wow.
Get that view, man.
Oh, Criss. So I guess you can
Look out far. What do you think?
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, right?
I'm surprised it's not Seven Wonders of the World.
Yeah, it's crazy. Alrighty, guys. We're on the way to the gun show now. It's officially open. Alright, guys. We have arrived. Parking lot's getting full. Let's go in. Yeah, guys. So we just entered, covering the first gun. Look at this right here. Alrighty, guys. Here's the vibe of the whole gun show. It's pretty little. Coming up on this. Look at this, guys. Guys, check this one out. Handgun case, $10. You got this. Wow. This is huge. Look at this, guys. What do you got over there? Do you guys know about this one? What does it say?
Bear. Pre-owned Les Bear hard case.
2,500.
Look, Bear custom.
Wow.
And then we have this one.
No, I never seen it.
And it's what's this? Das Coach.
Look at this little one. Right there. See how much? A Beretta Tomcat.
Wow, we haven't seen that.
I saw one at the last show. Yeah.
$399.
Guys, check this one out. And look at the one underneath it. Look at that. Yeah, I just showed him that one.
A Taurus.
Yeah. Yeah. Guys, look at this Glock 19. So light. Look at this one. Look at this one. Taurus. Pathfinder. Look at this one. Look at this. Wow. Look at this pre-owned Taurus. Look at this pre-owned Taurus. What? How much for that? $650? Okay. Guys, look what she found.
Look at this.
Right here in
Taurus for the
Okeechobee,
Winchester,
Florida.
the gun.
Yeah, let me see. Wow. Check this out, guys. Soviet USSR. Look, man, shot glasses from the Soviet USSR.
Look there, Cassette.
And look at these bronze collectors.
Globus.
Yeah, they got a whole bunch of stuff here, books and everything.
Canvas Globus Sky.
Look at these watches. And guys, they got knives over here. You gotta come check these out. You know, look at these knives.
Thank you. How you doing, man?
Show them these ones here. These
Yeah.
are made in Kissimmee, Florida.
Wow, made in Kissimmee, Florida.
Kissimmee, Florida. Armed
Wow.
Forces Tactical, and it's a mini out the front.
Oh wow, so cool.
Yeah, and they come with a safety on them. It'll stop if it opens in your pocket. All you have to do is pull it out to reset it.
Wow,
So Armed Forces Tactical out of Kissimmee.
wow, guys.
Right? Here's another one. This is a lighter version.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, this one's ultralight. It's a polyurethane handle, so it's really light but durable. Polyurethane is what they use to glue windshields and cars with.
Wow. Yeah, guys, let's go check out this one right here. Look at this. Wow. They even got books, guys. Make an offer. You know? Pretty cool.
Look for a pocket watch.
Yeah, look at these. Check this out, guys.
You can really throw.
Yeah, I think so. Let me see. Get that one, guys. Wow. Pretty nice. Welcome back. Pretty nice over here.
I'm trying to get to the diamond.
The Diamondbacks are pretty nice.
The MLS version.
It depends on what you're looking for, though, because some of the Diamondbacks are
Yeah. Check this out, guys. Look at this right here.
It's really interesting.
I love your custom calibrate. So cool. I would do custom calibrate with like some
ARs is my specialty. I'm an set manufacturer.
What she got here for the last gun, guys? The Winchester Coyote. Wow. Oof. Wow, guys. Alrighty, guys, and that's another gun show in the books. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out the playlist section, man. Thanks for watching. Right here in Okeechobee, Florida. Look at this, guys. At the gun show. Let's get to the vlog. Alright, guys, right here in Okeechobee, Florida. Look at this.